Select range using the mouse and select range using the keyboard and name box. Range selection using the mouse. Click and hold left mouse button and drag over range of cells. Release button to finish selection. Range selection using the name box. Type range into name box and hit enter key. Accessing the format dialog box using right-click menu and shortcut keys Ctrl, Shift, and F. Access format dialog box by selecting a range, right-click, then select menu item format cells. Alternately, access format dialog box by hitting Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Format numbers using the format dialog box. The example changes date to numeric. Format numbers by selecting the range, hitting Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Select Number tab, click Number, I'll put 0 decimal places 2, click OK. Format alignment using the format dialog box. The example changes right justify to left. Format alignment by selecting the range, hitting Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Select Alignment tab, select left indent from the horizontal drop-down, click OK. Format font using the format dialog box. The example changes Calibri 11-point font to Arial 12-point bold font. Format font by selecting the range, hitting Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Select Font tab, select font type, style, and size from drop-downs, then click OK. Format border using the format dialog box. The example changes no border to double line outside border. Format border by selecting the range, hit Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Select Border tab, then Style and Presets from drop-downs, click OK. Format fill using the format dialog box. The example changes no fill to yellow fill. Format fill by selecting the range, hitting Ctrl, Shift, and F keys. Select Fill tab, select background color from palette, then click OK. Format protection using the format dialog box. The example shows how to lock a worksheet and allow data entry into specific cells. Format protection by clicking menu item review, followed by allow edit ranges. Click New. Select the range you would like your users to edit, in refers to cells text box. Click OK. Now, click Protect Sheet. Click OK on Protect Sheet dialog box. Now, you can only edit the cells defined in the Allow Edit range. To unprotect worksheet, click Menu Item Review, followed by Unprotect Worksheet.